Hello students. तो previous class रे देखते ले digital circuit रो first OR gate तो logic gate को तीन यार व्यक्त करायचला logic gate तो one is कौन थिला basic gates, one is the basic gates and another is compound gate or composite gate, compound or composite जाकर and another is the special gate here. तो basic gate भितरे आमर थिला OR gate or and another one is NOT gate. These are the three basic gates and compound gate our dita gate but NOT and then the NOT gate and another one is NOR gate here and the special gate with the XOR gate, exclusive or exclusive NOR gate. This is not to your syllabus. So we only discuss about these 5 gates, 3 basic gates and 2 compound gates. So out of them OR gate, we have already studied OR gate. So OR gate is a logic gate in which there are many inputs, 2 or more inputs but one output. And so it is a cooperation. OR gate is addition operation or Boolean expression ala output is equal to A plus B. Output kete dila A plus B. And the truth table, I mean the truth table for a 2 input OR gate, that is 2 input A B and there is another column that is called output. And then data input tila मैं कौन tila 4 this is called to half filled method 1 1 0 1 0. Then this is called to when all the inputs are low, that is called to low, all other cases it is high. Then this is the truth table of the Kahara OR gate. Then next another one, that is the equivalent circuit. The equivalent circuit electric equivalent circuit that we have already studied. Then again I will tell you, this is your equivalent electric circuit. Arthat, the electric circuit having same operation as that of the OR gate. Suppose these are connected with a source. This is a ball here. The output is glow. Output y है क्या? Glow ball जड़ी वाला. Output glow. है ना? ऐडी है क्या? These are the 2 inputs. Switches are the 2 switches are connected in parallel with a source and a ball. है ना? तो लेखन में देखिए बात. Input का था देखिए बात. A और B हैला साधारणतः इनपुट रे में कोन देखले these are the switch हमें जाने छे लॉजिक गेट में कोन करा जाए the states are represented by 0 or 1 हैला if the circuit is off, if the switch is off, then it is represented by 0. If the switch is closed, these are the state, it is equal to 1. This is the state हैला of the switch. If the switch is open, then we consider 0. If the switch is closed, then it is considered as 1. Another output. Input. The output रे कौन रहेला? Output रहेला क्या ball? तो ball रे कौन रहेगा? State पर आओ. ना जल्दी glow कला. If it is glow, जड़ीला, then it is 1. जल्दी no जड़ीला, not glow. जल्दी no जड़ीला. These are the output state condition. আমি স্ট্যান্ড বাই কন্ডিশন কে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করেছে 0 and 1 যেহেতু it is a digital circuit all the output by input response all the input and output are represented by the digits 0 and 1 তো বর্তমান দেখিবা this circuit how this circuit is equivalent to a OR gate তো দেখো আমি OR gate রে কোন জানতিলে OR gate in case of a OR gate আমি জানতিলে truth table suppose this is equal to a this is equal to b and this is the output y is equal to a plus b well that is equal to if it is 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 then it is 0 on all other cases 1 clear hello তাহলে বর্তমান দেখিবা এই টেবিল কো দেখো this is the OR gate operation এবং এটি বর্তমান আর অপারেশন দেখো when both the switches এটা হলো সুইচ A আর হলো সুইচ B এবং this is the ball পাই হ্যাঁ বল পাই দেখো বল দেখো তো when the switch is both the switches are closed when both the switches are open দেখো open এটা না লিখো off means এটা লিখো open লিখো when both the switches are open both the switches are open then it is 0 yes 0 0 so when the switches are open there is no current flowing through the circuit as there is no current flowing in the circuit so bulb will not glow 0 bulb will not glow galat first condition second condition if the A is open yes A is open but B is closed then what happen then there is a current flowing in the lower half through the B through B switch देखिए current will flow through the bulb and bulb will glow the B कौन लिख ले close वाला 1 then bulb will glow 1 है second condition वाला third stage suppose A is close yes A is close 1 B is open 0 then what happen again there is a current flowing through the switch A through the bulb and bulb will glow glow means 1 bulb will glow then suppose A is close 1 close means 1 B is closed B is also 1 then the current will flow through the switch A and B and then it pass through the bulb अर्थात when the current flowing through the bulb will glow देखो same thing 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 here hello so this is your equivalent electric circuit of kahalo OR gate OR gate ರ ಕಾಮ ಸಹ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ರ ಅಂತ ಕಾಮ ಸಹ so it is called an equivalent electric circuit clear తర్వాత देखिए we consider an electronic circuit which is acts as a kahalo OR gate देखिए now difference between electronic circuit and electric circuit in case of electric circuit we use the switch but in electronic circuit we use the diode crystal diode okay see diode is act as a switch we consider two crystal diodes vapiyandansa this is the diode V1 and this is the diode V2 and they are connected in parallel and this is the load resistance R is the resistance R and this is connected with the ground and this is your a source this is the a terminal C and this is the terminal S and this is connected to the ground that means this is connected in series these are series তাহলে বর্তমান দেখো দিস ইজ দ্য কমপ্লিট সার্কিট গ্রাউন্ড দেন স্টার্ট গ্রাউন্ড ফ্রম দিস হলা সাধারণত ইলেকট্রনিক সার্কিট আমরা এইভাবে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করব হলা দিস ইজ দ্য গ্রাউন্ড অর্থাৎ দিস ইজ কানেক্টেড টু দিস তাহলে বর্তমান দেখো তাহলে আমি কোন লিখতে গেলে the two diodes D1 and D2 are connected in parallel, that means P are connected to this N and N are connected to this side, then and there is a load resistance R. अब देखिए input the input है क्या रहेगा two diodes D1 and D2 तो diode का कौन कहते हैं if it is forward bias then it conducts the current and if it is reverse bias it does not conduct the current. Clear? चलो बताओ देखो the diode D1 when it is connected to S that S से तो लगी हो this is a source and this is the ground when it is connected to the source then it is what है source से तो लगी ले 1 ground से तो लगी ले 0 है हमें कौन डाली if the diode is connected to the source that means it is connected to a source then we consider 1 if the diode is connected to the ground that means 0 then it is 0 this is the input state output state देखो output state क्या output if we get the load if we get the output here this is the output so here y is equal to I into R है so if we get some voltage then that is equal to if we get then this is 1 if we not get यदि हम किसी वोल्टेज पाएगा नहीं then it is 0 है ना बढ़ता देखो now if first this is the diode D1 and this is the diode D2 है ना this is A terminal A and this is the terminal B yeah when the diode D1 is connected to ground both the diodes are connected to the ground A connected to G B is connected to Z when they are connected to Z 0 0 है when they are connected to Z तो कौन पाएगा 0 0 A is connected to G 0 B is connected to Z 0 देखिए Y कौन होगा when they are connected to Z and this is also Z 0 तो both sides इधर 0 होची अभी जाने से तो if this is a diode है if both sides are same potential it does not conduct এবং যদি ফরওয়ার্ড বায়াসিং হবো তাহলে কন্ডাক্ট করিব এন্ড রিভার্স বায়াসিং কলে কোন হবো কন্ডাক্ট করিব নাই हैला তাহলে বর্তমানে কোন কল the diode D1 and D2 both are connected so the diode does not work or there is no current through the R if there is no current through the R I is equal to 0 then what about y is equal to 0 we not get any voltage output. Then second one if A is connected to G yes if A is connected to G से तो कनेक्ट कर कौन है जी 0 वैल्यू B is connected to S so when B is connected to S this is the one value देखो कौन तो B is connected to S it कौन सी positive the positive is connected to the p type so it conducts তাহলে কোন কালাটি the diode conducts if the diode conducts then there is a current through the resistance R and we get the output yes we get the output we get means what clear next suppose A is connected to S we connect A to S B is connected to Z B is connected to Z 0 देखो when A is connected to S is connected to this अर्थात this positive is connected to the p type so it is the forward bias if the diode D1 is forward bias then it conducts the current and there is a current through the R and we get the output yes we get the output get one next if both A is connected to the S B is also connected to S so one is connected one A is connected to S means 1 B is connected to S means 1 then what happens both the diodes conducts and there is a current through the load RL load R and we get the output देखो सेम इज ना नहीं 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So the operation function working of this circuit is equivalent is equal to क्या से OR gate. Therefore it is an equivalent electronic circuit of OR gate. गोटे OR gate रे काम जहां OR gate कोन कहै this is the symbol of OR gate. This is the symbol of OR gate. ताले गोटे OR gate रे काम जहां the circuit रे काम होछि सेया. So it is the equivalent circuit, electronic circuit, because there is a semiconductor. Where you use the semiconductor, that is the electronic, and where you use the conductor, that is the electric. है ना? ताले जे देखिनी semiconductor devices हमें लगे छे, तो ये बड़ी कुछ कला electronic circuit. Therefore, this is the equivalent electronic circuit of OR gate. Clear? Then I mean you are next. Another gate is AND gate. AND gate. So AND gate, it is a logic gate. Yes. AND gate. AND gate. It is also a logic gate with two or more inputs. It is a logic gates with two or more inputs, but only one output. It is a logic gate. It is a logic gate. जो two or more number of inputs are there, but only one output. Gote output. And this output is high. Output is high. Where all the inputs are high. Clear? If output is high, only one possible is that when all the inputs are high, so this सब input गुडिक high थिबो ताहाले ए गेट रो आउटपुट हाई हबो आउ नहले सबले लो हबो. क्लियर? तो बर्तमान देखा सर्किट सिंबल. What is the circuit symbol? Circuit symbol of kahara AND gate. And it is looks like a D. AND. You know? AND gate. This is the AND gate. And gate with two inputs. This is the input A and input B, and this is the Y. Similarly, parikha ase the concept parikha kon ase draw the input draw the AND gate with the three inputs. This is the three inputs. Okay, it is a logic gate with two or more number of inputs, but only one output. Yes, only one output. Say whatever 4, 5, 6, whatever may be. 1, 2 or more number of inputs, but only one output. And what is the output? Then it can be expressed by Boolean expression, that is A into B. This is the product operation. So the addition and all product. Similarly, we can write y is equal to A, B, C. A into B into C. Because there are three inputs. Here the two inputs, that is y is equal to A, B, and this is equal to y is equal to A, B, C. This is the product operation. Product. This is the product but not operation. So addition operation. Clear? Then this is the circuit symbol and the expression. ଏବେ ଦେଖିବାର logic gate କ'ଣ ହବ? Sorry, truth table. ହେଲା? Okay, truth table means it is a table in which the possibilities or values of inputs and outputs are noted down. तो ताको ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିବା? Truth table ବୋଲି କହିବା. ଦେଖିବା ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖେଇବି ଦୁଇଟା ଆଉ ତିନିଟା. बड़े बड़े परीक्षा रे मत आसे write the truth table but draw the truth table of in care of AND gate with the 3 inputs. Tale kali ugaitili tale how can I draw a table? Table means there are some rows and columns are there. So first we find out the columns. This is for 2 input AND gate. Hala to kaitile 2 input means number of columns kate 2 plus 1. 2 inputs and the another one is output. Hala this is your A B inputs and this is the output, that is AB. Clear? Number of columns kala. Then the number of rows kon kaitila, how many number of inputs are there? 2. Therefore number of columns is 2 to the power n is equal to 2. This is equal to 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. What is 1? That is the heading. Heading by 1 kala ebong value by ame kon ba charita 3 4. Clear? So this is the truth table. Hala how can I fill up the tables? First you fill up the inputs table by using half method. 1 2 3 4 4 adhala 4 tale 4 first half is filled up by 0, second half is filled up by 2. Then this is the 2 is to divide 2 adhala 1 tale first half is filled up by 0, second 1 0 1. Yes, we fill up the input table. Ebe we fill up output. Output कौन कहछि? When all the inputs are high, then it is high. Other case is 0. Sorry. Similarly, we can draw the truth table of 3 inputs. 3 inputs. Adala 3 inputs and get. Hala. So how can I draw 3 input? তাহলে 3টা ইনপুট প্লাস 1 এর আউটপুট 4টা কলাম 1 2 3 then 4. Next row first heading A B C A B C. Then how can I draw the number of rows except this? তো এটা তো ছাড় দিলাম কেতেটা রো টাড়িবা তাহলে number of inputs কেতে আছে 3 তাহলে 2 to the power 3 that is equal to 8. Now draw 8 except this row. We draw another 8 2 3 4 5 6 then 7 and 8. Hala 7 then 8. Hala these are the now fill up by half method. Hala total row hela 8 radara 4 the first 4 zeros first half is filled up by 0 1 2 3 oh bas ye hala next tabare 4 radara 2 tale first 2 0 then 1 1 similarly 4 radara 2 0 0 1 1 then 2 radara kate 1 0 1 similarly r 0 1 similarly 0 1 it is 2 0 1. Now we complete the input table, then we get the output. The output code by everywhere our clock is and get when all the inputs are high then it is high, all the inputs are high that it is high, in all cases it is 0. Yes, complete. This is your AND gate. When all the inputs are high, then it is high. This is highlight. This row is highlight. When all the inputs are high, it is high. All other cases, it is 0. It is a product. 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0. Addition 0 into 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 into 1. If any 1 0, then at least 1 0 is there, then the product is 0. Then product is 0. So this is the product table. Clear? So this is your AND gate. The AND gate is equivalent to by AND gate account, and this is the product operation. Clear? So next algebra, equivalent circuit diagram. प्रथम देखा equivalent circuit electrical diagram, then equivalent then electronics data, equivalent electric circuit. Equivalent electric circuit, yes, we consider the switch. Now we consider two switches, A and B. They are connected in series with a ball. Hala? And to a cell battery. Hala? This is an electrical circuit. And this is the input, switch A, and this is the switch B. Yes. And this is your Y. It is the Y output. Hala? तो वर्तन देखो हमारा एंड रे कौन थिला हमारा एंड गेट नहीं एंड गेट रे कौन थिला नला ए बी y is equal to a b थिला नहीं 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 ହେଲା তাহলে এটা ଥିଲା আমার এন্ড গেট বর্তমান দেখিবা কোন হচ্ছে এটা ଥିଲା এন্ড গেট বর্তমান দেখো কোন হচ্ছে তো প্রথমে আমি সুইচ এ নেলে এস সুইচ এ এটা হলো সুইচ বি এন্ড দা আউটপুট এস কোন হচ্ছে বর্তমান দেখিবা the result in the output is this circuit সেবেলা বলে আমি দি ইনপুট এ নেওয়া ইনপুট হলা তাহলে এটা হলো কি ওপেন হলে 0 ক্লোজ হলে 1 সেবেলা বলে আউটপুট হলা গ্লো হলে বলি চলিলে এক নট গ্লো ন চলিলে 0 হলা যদি বল চলিলা তাহলে তার ভ্যালু 1 যদি ন চলিলা ভ্যালু হলা 0 প্রথম দেখো তো when both the switches are open A is open 0 B is open 0 if A is open B is open so there is no current through the bulb the bulb they कौन होला current current flows in a closed circuit not in a open circuit हैला तो there is no current through the bulb so bulb will not glow 0 yes bulb will not glow 0 this is the first situation second the second देखिबा if A is open yes A is open B close yes B close then what happen the major circuit break एटी बटन break circuit it is not a closed path so there is no current through the bulb so bulb will not glow 0 clear then third देखो when A is closed yes A is closed 1 B is open 0 then what happened देखो B open then there is a circuit break and then there is no current through the bulb so bulb will not glow clear next अब देखिए when both the switches are closed A closed 1 B closed 1 yes there is a current in the circuit and bulb will glow 1 देखो now compare the tables this is the table for this circuit and this is the table for AND gate 0 0 0 yes 0 0 0 0 1 0 yes 0 1 0 1 0 0 yes 1 0 0 1 1 1 yes 1 1 1 so this circuit is a equivalent to AND gate and then we use the switches here this is a electrical circuit it is the equivalent electric circuit of AND gate clear similarly the data input here then you can put 3 switches in series clear the next one देखिए electronic circuit equivalent electronic circuit equivalent electronic circuit देखो तो how can we take the equivalent electronic circuit electronic circuit कौन कहै छी in which we use the semiconductor devices then we use here PN junction diodes हला सेठी हम एने थिले एठी जस्ट उल्टा कनेक्शन कले then this is and this This is your diode D1 and this is the diode D2. This is your input A and this is the input B. S. These are connected to a source and this is the ground. This is the This is the point Z and this is the terminal point S. S. Next. This output. So output में कौन करिए? We use a resistance. Yes, we use a resistance. Then we put another source and this is the ground. Clear? So what is the value of Y? Yes, this is the Y. Y. So Y is equal to output in this circuit. Output is equal to, by using the Kirchhoff's law, this is equal to, suppose this is equal to V and this is the R. So we get V minus IR. So Y is equal to कितने गला? V minus IR. बर्तन देखिए बार कौन होची? तो लिखा है कौन पहले? समझिए नवा A B then Y. देखो कौन होची? So first A is connected Z. and input बर्तन कौन करिवा? Input है input है open है 0 close है but connected. I mean open close तो नहीं है switch. like when connected to ground, the A and B connected to the ground, G को connection है 0 value, S को connect करे 1 value. माना है तले 0 का में connect करिवा तले डाला ground से the like is 0 value. And if it is connected to S, that is connected to the source, तले डाला कला 1 value. Output रे कौन होगा? If तले कौन पाएगा? Output पाइले 0, ना पाइले 1. है get है 1, not get 0. है ना? तो वर्तन देखो. When A is connected to Z, yes, this is 0. When B is connected to Z, this is also 0. When A is connected to C0, B is connected to C0. Then Y. Then if A and B are connected to 0, this is the N-type semiconductor and this is the P-type semiconductor. When N-type is connected to this 0 volt and this is connected to this, it is a 5 volt. Arthat the P sides are connected to the higher potential and N sides are connected to the lower potential. So both the diodes are conduct. As both the diodes are conduct, there is a current in the circuit. As there is a current in the circuit, the current circuit flow तो V our माने करो 5 volt थिला. When current flows through in the circuit, we take the R in such a way that this IR is equal to V. IR कितने गला? तले V minus of V कितने गला? 0. अर्थात we get the 0. Clear? The first time पहले when both the diodes are connected to the Z, then there is a current through the R and the total output is कितने गला? 0. Then second, then if A is connected to Z, if A is connected to Z, तो Z को connection गला 0 and B is connected to S. B is connected to S. S को connection के लिए कौन value 1. Then देखो तले G when A is connected to G तले G is forward bias. G है गला forward bias. But this is connected to the higher potential. N is connected to the higher potential. This is reverse bias. If it is reverse bias, it does not conduct. एटा कौन करिबो? काम करिबानी. मतलब this diode will operate and the current will flow through the diode. तले diode में current flow. The current flow है ला तले we get yes. तले V minus of I into R. तले में V थिला IR पाइले एवं फेड देले कौन हला 0. We get 0. I value कर देला 0. Then third case देखो. If A is connected to our point, if A is connected to S, A is connected to S 1, B is connected to 0 G 0. When A is connected to S, this is N is connected to the positive. This is the reverse bias. As this is the reverse bias, the current will not flow through the diode D1 but this is n, negative is connected by n type crystal is connected to the ground and p type crystal is connected to the positive, so it is forward bias. Eta eta forward bias, and the current will flow through the circuit, and then we get V minus current IR এবং IR কেটে পাইলে V, তাহলে V minus of V কেটে আমরা 0. Then last, if A is connected to S, when it is connected to S, value 1. B is connected to S, that is equal to 1. When both are connected to S, then both the diodes does not conduct. Because this side is positive, this side higher potential হয়ে গেল, তাহলে এটা কোন হয়ে যাব রিভার্স বায়াস, উভয় হয়ে গেল রিভার্স বায়াস। যেহেতু উভয় রিভার্স বায়াস, তো উভয় ডায়োড মধ্যে কেই কাম করিবে নি, অর্থাৎ there is no current in the circuit. If there is no current in the circuit, IR কেটে গেল 0, অর্থাৎ we get কেটে V voltage, output we get some voltage, হলা যেতিকে থিব আমি সেটি পাই। তো now compare this table with this table, তাহলে দুইটা টেবিল কম্পেয়ার করা, 0 0 0 yes 0 0 0, then 0 1 0 0 1 0, next 1 0 0 1 0 0, next 1 1 1 1 1 1, তাহলে আমি কোন জানিলে this is the equivalent electronic circuit of AND gate. Clear? তাহলে এটা হলো AND gate র electronic circuit, হলা এটা ডায়োড লাগিয়েছি, এটা কইবা electronic circuit, তাহলে this is the equivalent electronic circuit of AND gate, হলা। তো নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেখব আমি দুইটা গেট গলা, গোটা হলো OR gate, গোটা হলো AND gate। The next class we will have another gate, that is the NOT gate and NOT gate, outala NOR gate. Clear? Then other three remaining gates, rest.